In today's digital world, events, celebrations, competitions, and corporate programs demand fast, seamless, and professional communication. Many people rely on tools like Canva or Adobe to design certificates and invitation cards. These platforms are excellent for creating visuals and designs, but when it comes to bulk certificate generation, dynamic personalization, and instant sharing, they often fall short. For example, if you need to generate hundreds of certificates, you usually have to edit each one manually and send them one by one. This not only consumes time, but also increases the chances of errors. That's where specialized platforms make a real difference. Platforms like CertificatWala allow organizations to upload participant data through Excel and generate bulk personalized certificates in just one click. Each certificate is automatically customized and can be instantly shared via WhatsApp or email. Now, if you are looking for more than just certificates, CertWala brings you a complete solution. Along with certificates, it offers a wide range of beautifully designed invitation templates for every occasion, like weddings, engagements, haldi, mendi, receptions, birthday parties, housewarming ceremonies, corporate events, school programs, religious functions, and much more. It also includes elegant greeting cards for festivals and special moments like New Year, Republic Day, Raksha Bandhan, Diwali, Christmas, Friendship Day, Teacher's Day, birthdays, and many other celebrations. Instead of sending simple text messages, you can now send personalized digital cards with receiver names in just one click. Another emerging platform in this space is EventCert, also known as Event India. With its user-friendly dashboard and powerful automation, it combines bulk certificate generation, invitation sharing, and greeting communication all in one integrated system. And, most importantly, these platforms offer highly cost-effective solutions, especially when compared to expensive design subscriptions. So whether you are an institution, a corporate organization, an event planner, or even an individual, choosing the right platform can save your time, simplify your communication, and make every event truly professional.